In this lesson, I will explain to you excess beginning of substrings. Now, what is the meaning of this excess beginning of a substrings? So far, we have discussed index, right? Index always starts from 0. And how we will write down the index in a square bracket? This is the format. So first of all, I will explain to you these 3 points: index slicing, square bracket, and then colon stop. This is our topic. If we are not going to assign the start value or the beginning value of the index, so by default it will start from 0 index. Default start for a slice is index 0. Now what is the meaning of slice? See, this is the complete word, complete string, and I have written a long name Ashfaq. Student underscore name is equal to Ashfaq, and this is the string. That is why you have to write down in the quotation. If you want to print out a part of this, suppose, okay, first I will give you the example. If I want, which we already have discussed in the last lecture, I will write down 1 index. If I will write down in the square bracket, it means index 1 to 7. It means I want a slice, I want a piece of this word. So when I will run, it will come SHFAQU. Why not 1? Sorry, why not A? Because index always start from 0. So S, see, I said 1 to 7. So S is 1, 0, 1. If I want that A should also print here, so I have to mention 0, because index always starts from 0, and now it will come Ashfaq. But this is not our topic. Our topic is if I will not assign the start value. So the default behavior is that it will start from index 0. So see, I will run this Ashfaq, ASHFAQUE. If I will make it 6, see what happens then. This is the slice of this complete word Ashfaq, because some people write like this, ASHFAQ. Right? So string slicing, this is the complete string and this is the slice, returns a string section from index 0 by using only the stop index. If we have only the stop index, that it has to stop at 6. So its default behavior is that it will start from 0. It will not start from 1, not from 2, 0. And one more important point. See, there are 8 characters. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 characters. But index are 7, because index start from 0. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Right? See, it stops at Q. If you want that this U should come here, then you have to 7, and then we will run, and it says U 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. See, this is the 7th, but it will not include, it will stop here. If you want to stop till U, you have to stop at 7. If you want that you have to stop only, you want ASHFAQUE, then you have to write down 6 here, because it stops, index stop just before the last. Right? Here I have set same example. Right? I will make it 8. If you want a complete name Ashfaq, then you have to, because there are 8 characters, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 characters, but the index are 7. So you have to write down 8 in order to print the complete name. Same example is here, but see, when I will execute, what is the difference? What is the difference between these two? See, the difference is here I have mentioned only the student name, variable name, and then index. When you will use only the variable name, this quotation will come up in the output. If you do not want this quotation, then you have to use the print word. Print is the function. Keep in mind that after print, you have to put the parenthesis, because this is the function, and write down exact same. See, there is no quotation. So this is the difference between these two. Now it is your job that you have to practice. Write down another name, any other string, and try. So in this lesson, you have learned excess beginning of a substring means if we will not assign the start value, by default it will start from 0 index. If still any point is not clear, you can ask me. Subscribe to my channel, and thanks for watching.